What if I told you that 97% of faceless YouTube creators are picking the wrong niches? And it's not your fault that there are tons of videos telling you to try AI music video and cartoon videos. But trust me, these don't work. Here are the only 9 real niches that will make you money. If you work properly, these niches never fail. I've divided them into 4 buckets. Easy niches, and their earning potential is more than $6,000. Moderate niches that are tougher but earn $15,000. And the difficult bucket that takes time but has $50,000 to $100,000 earning potential. Crazy figures, right? And all these niches get easily monetized and would surely pass through the new AI policies. And the last bucket is the ultimate survival chance. You can't pick your niche without looking at it.